Okay, a quick specific request. Separation from you pains me. Your separation pains me. What's the difference? I think these are both the same. So separation from you, separation, a noun. The fact of being apart from you. Yeah, separation from you pains, gives pain to me. Your separation pains me. Well, looking at this, if I just say your separation, it doesn't say if it's necessarily from me or from someone else. Your separation from your husband pains me. But if you look at both of these, it could be my separation from you pains me. Your separation from me pains me. Okay, so effectively, it depends if you're separated from me or I'm separated from you. I guess it depends really who who went away, who moved off. Okay, so let's see. Your separation from me, noun phrase, pains me. My separation from you, noun phrase again, pains me. Okay, so effectively, if you look at it, it's just subject, verb, object. Yeah, separation from you, being apart. Yeah, separating myself from you, and that I think would then be the action. So enough. I hope that's helped. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.